Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic how do you keep ants out of cat food. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. You can keep the ants out of the cat food bowl by creating barriers, regular cleaning, sprinkling natural deterrent powders and using duct tape. Moreover, it is better to change the bowl material, coat them with vaseline and use ant-proof bowls. You can also use them near the bowls because cats can spread the food crumbs in their feeding area while eating, which can attract ant trials. It is necessary to adopt the tricky method to get rid of these ants that are harmful to your pets. You cannot use commercial spray, insecticides and pesticides because of their toxic nature. You can create a barrier around the bowl to restrict their foodstuff entry. It is essential to use safe material for your pets when creating the barrier. Use the chalk and talcum powder to make a boundary around their feeding area. You can also spread baking soda and coffee powders in their surroundings. White and red chili powder also acts as the ants exterminator, and these can move away after sensing these smells. Keep the chili powders away from the air because these can irritate when comes in contact with the air. These species do not know how to swim and can die in water. You can put the bowl in large containers filled with water. Keep the water levels low so it cannot enter the dry food material and moisten them. Regular cleaning of the bowl is also necessary when your pets finish their food. Avoid keeping them unwashed in the cabinets, kitchen, pantry areas and feeding places. The ants come on them because of grease and meat ingredients. Therefore, you should wash them daily when foods end in them to remove the residues from their sides. You can also clean or wash them twice daily, depending on your cat's eating time and habits. Soak them in warm water and wait for 5 to 10 minutes to remove the grease. Wash them with dishwashing detergent and keep them dry because moisture attracts these pests. You can also make natural deterrent powders in your home by grinding different ingredients, such as take the lemon peel and grind it well until it becomes a fine powder. In addition, you can do the same procedure with mint leaves and orange peels. Spread the powders of these natural repellents around the bowls and make them safe. Ants cannot feel the smell of meaty ingredients and move away due to the strong odor of lemon, orange and mint leaves. Moreover, you can also use clove and cinnamon powder for this purpose. You can coat the boundaries or outer side of the cat food bowl with Vaseline. However, ants stick to the Vaseline and cannot move because of greasy surfaces. It is highly challenging for them to cross the layer of sticky substances. However, it is a barrier and cannot harm your pets and their foodstuffs. Use the finger or Q-tips to coat the exterior material with Vaseline. You can also mix the cinnamon or clove powder in the Vaseline for better results because these are strong exterminators. It is better to coat the lower legs of the bowl with Vaseline mixed in cinnamon powder. Cat foods contain meaty ingredients that can attract other species to your surroundings. Ants also come near the bowl because they are omnivores and need protein for nourishment and muscle development. Most of these packaged materials contain meaty material. These can come on meaty stuff, either they are dry or wet. These items also comprise a small fat content that can grab greasy ants' attention. These can come from the smell of fat when you do not clean their bowls for several days. The crumbs in the surrounding also allow their entry into the feeding area. Many species of ants are omnivores and eat plants and animals for survival. Most of them love to eat animal-based stuff more because of their choices and species. Fire ants and harvester ants are usually attracted to cat food bowls when left unwashed. This is because the remaining greasy food residues can cause these insects to come into the bowl. They call the other species when they detect the presence of nutrients in their surrounding. You can see their trials moving toward the pet's cage or near their feeding area. They also come in areas where you store the packages. Moreover, thief ants and greasy ants also love them because they are fully meat eaters. They can switch to other sources when meat is not present for them. Thanks for watching the video.